Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my May BoxyCharm unboxing. It got a little bit, crushed in the mailbox there, but this is the May base box. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription box for makeup, and the base box is $25. They also have BoxyCharm Premium, which is $35, and then Boxy Luxe, which is seasonal, and that is $50 a month. If you guys are interested, I do have a link down below. It is a referral link, so I get like BoxyCharm points for it. But if you don't want to use my link, that's totally fine. If you do, I appreciate it. If you're not in a rush to get BoxyCharm, but you're interested, definitely look at what the gift with purchase is, because that's what made me sign up when I did. So definitely look at what the gift is for signing up, and you can like base off getting BoxyCharm that way. So I do get the base box, and then I do get the Boxy Luxe box every season. I do not have Boxy Premium. But yeah, I did very minimal makeup using the products in my box, which is pretty much how I've been going to work because we have to wear masks. So like I don't do a full face of makeup. I've just been doing powder and a little bit of highlight, my brows and some eyes. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to this look using the products in my May BoxyCharm, then just keep on watching. So I didn't get a physical card in this box, but they did send an email with the link to my digital card, so I will be looking at my phone for all the information on the products. So the first item is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this is the product right here. It retails for $42 for 0.84 ounces, so that's kind of expensive. And it says, bring out skin's inner radiance with this illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while a potent blend of signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. So it's a pink oil. I'm not seeing any luminizing factor for this. It sank into my skin nicely, but like, I do not know about this. I'll have to keep trying it out and see. Like, I don't know what's illuminating about this. Alright, so the next item was a choice item, and it's the Hourglass highlighting stick. Because of this whole like coronavirus stuff, I've been wearing a mask at work, so I haven't done a full face of makeup. I pretty much just focus on my eyes and then just powder my face so I don't get super oily at work, and then do like a little bit of highlight. So I definitely want to try this out just to see how it would look on my bare skin. I got the shade Champagne Flash. Oh, that glided on really smoothly. There is the swatch of it right there. So it says, an instant flash of light to the skin in 5 brilliant shades for unparalleled glow. These mesmerizing highlighters share the same innovative, weightless texture of Vanish to give you the most seamless, lustrous highlight to the skin. Instant payoff, effortless blendability, and long wear luster in a sleek, portable stick for an instant flash of light anytime, anywhere. And this retails for $42. This goes on really smoothly. I barely touched my skin. It's not the most blinding highlight, but it is really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger. This is definitely something I would just wear to work like this, and then just do my powder over my face so like I don't sweat this off or just look like a hot greasy mess at the end of like a 6-hour shift. Alright, so I'm not going to do liquid foundation because I want to see how this would look as if I were to wear it to work with like the powder foundation and stuff. So I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So what I've been doing is taking my Smashbox primer water, and then I spray this on my face first. And then I just take my powder on a big brush and I just literally tap it on. Again, I'm not looking for like full coverage or anything. I'm just trying to keep my oils at bay at work. highlight is still showing through, and I did powder over top of it a little bit. So definitely happy that I picked the highlight. I am going to just do a little bit more on my finger and just pat it on top just to see, because like if it's gonna pick up the powder weird or not. Okay, that looks so nice on top of powder as well. So I'm definitely excited to keep using this. And I'm so happy I got a shade that I would actually wear, because I saw there was like a more pinky toned one, I think, and then there was something that would have been like too dark. So I'm so happy. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next product before I just make this whole video about the highlighter. Alright, so next is this Beauty Creations palette, and this is their Cali Chic palette. It's just a very pretty neutral warm palette, and I don't know, I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm gonna hold this off to the side, and I'm gonna put this into a future giveaway. I love eyeshadow palettes, but if you guys saw my makeup inventory, I have 42 eyeshadow palettes. So if this can go to a better home, I'll definitely be giving this to someone else. So it says, Cali Chic has the perfect amount of warm tones with pops of color. Made up of 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, this color scheme mimics the perfect summer day. With the ability to take you from soft glam to full glam, this Cali Chic palette is a staple for anyone's collection, and it retails for $14.99. Alright, so the next product is this Blink Black Lash Primer, and I'm really excited to try this because I've only ever tried white or the pink L'Oreal Paradise lash primer, and having a black lash primer I feel like would be really nice, because then it doesn't take like 30 coats of mascara just to cover up the white or the pink. Black Lash Primer delivers the ultimate base of lash fullness and thickness while providing a true black finish. Vitamins and nourishing ingredients impart long-lasting moisturization and conditioning to protect lashes from damage and environmental stresses. And this retails for $26. So we're going to just do one eye first, and I'm not going to curl my lashes or anything because I don't curl my lashes on a daily basis. I like the brush shape for it because it's like a comb, so I can get right at the base of my lashes and bring it up. So ignore this. I just want to zoom you guys in so you can see just how my lashes look with the primer on. Do you see how black the base of my lashes are? Like, hello. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the mascara. I love this. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, so I'm definitely excited to have this as well. I'm going to be using this so much. I'm excited. Alright, so the last product in the box is the Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. Is it a lip gloss? Lipstick? So it is a lip gloss. Alright, so it says, lightweight texture that is non-sticky and flexible. Our glosses create a dewy effect that adds fullness to the lips. Sheer to medium coverage that is long-lasting, can be worn alone or layered over lipstick, and it retails for $17. I'm hoping that this is more of a sheer gloss. If it says light to medium coverage, you guys know I don't like pink lips on myself. This smells so good. It smells like cake batter, I think. Oh, that's definitely a sheer gloss. Okay, cool. And I do just have lip balm on underneath. I don't have any other lip product on. It's not a sticky gloss, so that's so nice. No little like lip gloss stringies. I just really like the feeling of it on my lips. Alright, so the total retail value of the box was $141.99. So definitely over the $125 value you're supposed to get in the box. And honestly, like, these 3 products I'm so excited for. So these definitely make up for the box for me. Again, the Wander Beauty thing, I didn't get what was glowy about it. So I'm not sure. I'll have to see what other people say about this. Maybe I'm just using it wrong. Maybe I'm just blind and need a new contact prescription. I don't know. So I don't know, this was just kind of for me. And then the eyeshadow palette, again, super cute and stuff, but I just have so many eyeshadow palettes, and I just definitely want to give this to a better home. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. What did you guys get in your May BoxyCharm? What are your thoughts overall? Like, I've seen very mixed reviews with BoxyCharm lately. If you guys did a BoxyCharm video, let me know down below so I can go check it out. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications. You guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!